is here once again. The leaves have begun to change their color, the air is a little colder and a little more crisp. The smells of the changing season fill our nostrils. This season is an assault on our senses. Over the last 4 months, our road life on pause, we have been preparing ourselves and our van for the next step of our journey. With our heads down and hands hard at work, our memories from the road spurred us on to the finish line. Having packed the van and set off, it's time to seek out new experiences and form new memories. It's time to settle back into life on the road.
What we're all about.
In progress.
Is that smoky?
Pressurized sesame oil.
Oh, it's cute. Cute.
Look at those delights. Oh, baby.
Aren't they cute?
Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow.
Are they cute?
They're the cutest.
Doesn't it remind you of that little show Bow? Do you think one of these will come to life?
Yeah, hopefully not.
Hi.
Let me see one of them desserts. Dumplings.
Dessert
I
dumpling.
want to see a dessert dumpling.
This is a dessert dumpling. It's stuffed with Nutella.
Cholo.
Rummer. Now I need to put them somewhere to not get them confused with chicken dumplings.
Don't do that.
Oh, I'll just put it over here. Oh.
Beers. Cheers.
I hope they're cold.
Oh,
Cheers.
cheers, baby. Not as cold as we like, but
Flakes are like infused.
oh, amazing. Kind of look like shriveled ball sacks.
Oh man,
I
alive.
need a shriveled ball sack.
Okay. You ready? You ready for this?
Yes, do it. Come on, Jay. That's good.
Careful! It's hot.
Ah! Stop it.
Uh-oh. Smoke.
Ooh, yeah.
Remember when you used to drink that Turkish coffee?
Yeah, I still will because it's delicious. Turkish coffee. So delicious.
During the summer, while working away at rebuilding the van and refilling our bank accounts, time passed quick. Had it not been for moments of practiced mindfulness, I believe we would have found ourselves on the cusp of leaving on our trip, being unable to recall what we had done other than working. I read somewhere that our perception of time compresses as we get older, because a given moment becomes a progressively smaller fraction of our existence as we age. Both Megan and I aged a year over the summer, Megan clicking over to 32 and me to 35. I guess my perception of time is compressing. The only thing that seems effective in slowing down time is to force myself into the present, to take in all that is around me for even a minute or two.
What you talking about, Willis?
Yummy. Cool.
Phew.
This is awesome. I think we might go over there. How's my sweaty back?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Guys, you're gonna have to get out because
This is life now. For the first time in our collective time on the road, we are self-sustaining, able to remain in motion for as long or as short as we would like. We'll travel like this for the foreseeable future, moving from place to place, collecting experiences and making memories. Who knows what's ahead? Whatever it may be, we're ready for it.